Good day everyone, welcome to episode 6 of Garage Talk. I'm Soldi Jones speaking. Today I'll be explaining to you guys about owner manuals. Most vehicles come with either one or two owner manuals in the glove box. The owner manuals, what they do is basically filled with information about concerning your vehicle to help you with different features or even lights, symbols inside of your dashboard, lights that may look strange to you and you're not too familiarized. The owner manual is there to at least help you navigate through this to know if it's a concern or if it's a warning that you may come to the dealership here at TDC for us to then take a deeper look at. Some of the times you could just basically take a look and realize, okay, this light simply represent your windshield washer fluid, or this light represent traction control, that's the one with the skids mark, or the one with the yellow one, the common one, the check engine light. Once it's that, then you could definitely come by TDC and we offer a diagnostic scan on the vehicle that could then find out why the light is on in the first place. The owner manuals will also help you knowing how to set your car in different settings. Some of them got sport mode, some of them have economy mode, and they have normal mode, and then they have sport plus mode. They would also let you know a different step-by-step of maintenance, meaning for every 5,000 you must change this fluid, or every 10,000 you change this pad, or have this pad inspected, just to at least know if it's time or just to make sure the vehicles stay up to date. The owner manuals, understand, is not just for new vehicles. It could be a vehicle that's 10 years old. As long as it's reaching that certain mileage, these are stuff you definitely always have to check. If you need help with going through your manual, you could always come at TDC and we'll definitely flow you through it as well.